And take a look at this. At a time when hospitals need every single bed and every square inch that they have, closing down an entire emergency department is not what anybody needs, but that is exactly what happened today at Banner University Medical Center in Phoenix. Mitch Carr is standing by with the latest from 12th Street and McDowell.
The emergency department at Banner University Medical Center is right here over my shoulder, and so are multiple trucks from CRS, that is Comprehensive Risk Services, and they specialize in water damage restoration, and they're needed because the emergency department is completely flooded. Here's a look at the water flooding the first floor. Pictures show it's about enough water to cover your shoes if you were walking in it. Banner Health says a pipe burst Friday afternoon. The water covering the floors is clean water, according to the hospital system. Banner Health says the emergency department will be closed through the weekend as they work to fix this mess. Banner Health tells us that walk-in emergency patients will be admitted. They will not be turned away, but they will have to be cared for in another part of the hospital until this process is finished. In Phoenix, Mitch Carr, 12 News.